Okay, guys, watch this shit. Alexa, what is today's date?
Today is Wednesday, October 9th. By the way, you have one new notification. When you see the yellow light ring on your device, it means you have a notification or message. Just say, "Read my notifications."
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:45 p.m.
Alexa, are there any hurricanes out there right now?
There aren't any current tropical cyclones on October 9th, 2024.
Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Helene. Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Milton. I'm telling you, I cannot make this shit up. Watch this. Alexa, what is today's date?
Today is Wednesday, October 9th.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:27 p.m.
Alexa, are there any tropical storms out there?
There are 5 current tropical cyclones, and they are Hurricane Milton, Hurricane Leslie, Hurricane Teddy, Tropical Storm Vicky, and Tropical Depression 22.
Alexa, is there a hurricane out there?
There are 5 current tropical cyclones, and they are Hurricane Milton, Hurricane Leslie, Hurricane Teddy, Tropical Storm Vicky, and Tropical Depression 22.
Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Helene.
On October 4th, Reuters reported, 1 week after Helene slammed into the Florida Panhandle and devastated wide swaths of half a dozen states, untold thousands remained cut off around Asheville, North Carolina, with many roads impassable and telecommunications equipment damaged or destroyed. The mountain community's isolation has complicated the massive relief effort undertaken by federal...
Alexa, stop. Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Milton. Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Milton.
On October 9, 2024, Reuters reported, an expanding Hurricane Milton made landfall on Florida's west coast on Wednesday, spawning tornadoes and lashing the region with...
Alexa, stop. There is some weird shit going on. There is some weird shit going on.